Within our retail business, we have a Scan Business department, which are essentially a reseller for our business customers, if you will. So we provision all of the services that you would imagine Scan being able to offer right throughout the business community. We're essentially a reseller within the retail business.
Scan Business is the team within the company who serve our B2B markets across multiple vertical sectors. We deal with everything from architecture to automotive to the public sector.
We have multiple Pro business units, so if you look on the website you'll see our Pro Audio department, Pro Video department. We have our 3XS brand, of course, which is where we've started our business and where we've grown from significantly. So our 3XS brand stands up against most of the tier ones and other SIs across the UK. We deliver GPU accelerated solutions into our client base across multiple verticals. The 3XS is where we've grown from essentially, but the bespoke nature of that service offering is the starting point for a lot of our clients. GPU provision is ever so important, and that's why our relationship with NVIDIA is absolutely key. We've got an outstanding relationship with NVIDIA. In addition to the 3XS variants that I mentioned earlier, we've got our AI team, which are our artificial intelligence team that take our hardware provision to the next level essentially, offering development boxes for deep learning, machine learning, etc., for algorithm usage as well, right across the piece. We have our cloud solutions as well. So as well as our hardware offering, we offer all of our GPU provision virtually, whether that's on an on-premise solution or virtually held in the cloud. That enables us to reach further into our client base. That underpinned with our professional services means that we can also install, configure, provision a much more rounded overall managed service. We have account managers dedicated to vertical markets and dedicated to our clients. It's important that we have the vertical market knowledge within our account management because they're then able to proactively offer insights and assistance to those customers.
I predominantly work with our creative clients, which is for media entertainment. That is from game developers to broadcasters to events and obviously VR, which is becoming quite a huge thing these days. I'm very much into content creation and post-production myself, so it was great working with clients who do that because we can have very easy conversations, we talk about the same technology, and it's not just a forced sale, it's something which I'm genuinely interested in.
So I'm an account manager. I deal with one of our VIP clients, and we mainly sell servers and those sorts of products, but anything from professional video, professional audio, all these different types of equipment from multiple different manufacturers we supply into these customers. Usually our customers tend to choose us and stay with Scan because of the level of service they get. Scan's a family-run business and always has been, and that sort of comes through to the staff who work here. Everyone feels very involved, everyone feels very passionately about the company. So customer service is something that's of the highest order at Scan and something that everyone prides themselves on.
We like to differentiate ourselves from other resellers. Obviously we're aware of competitors, of course, and we work very closely with tier one distributors and manufacturers as well. It's the level of technical service that we offer as well. We're not just here just to process sales and do those sort of things. We're able to offer a level of service, a personal level of service, which I think people do appreciate these days and takes it to the next level. So, if you do come on board with us, you're going to get that level of service. I think, we're an industry where a lot of people sell very similar equipment, and you've got to be transparent with people. In this day and age where we have world shortages of many components, being honest where we're at with what's coming in and what we can fulfill on is huge, and I think people appreciate that honesty.
Our lead times and service levels are very, very important to us. Tech, heart, soul is one of the mantras that we have here at Scan, and it's very much intrinsic across the team. It's very different to most resellers I've either worked at myself or have actually delivered into working in the vendor industry. Just by the technical nature of the account managers, it's very different, and the customers experience so much more value in that respect.